kindergartners, it's Miss Swan. I'm here to do some math with you today. This week we've been working with these flashcards that you made with Mr. O'Connor on Monday, and you've played a couple different games with them. So today we're going to play a new game. We're going to play true or false. In order to play this game, you do need these flashcards that you made with Mr. O'Connor. If you didn't make these flashcards, you can go back to his video from Monday and you can make the flashcards and then come back. Or you could just play with me and my flashcards today if you don't have them. In order to play true or false, we need to make two new cards. One is this card with the equal symbol on it. I also wrote is equal to. You could add these words or not, but you do need a card that says equals. Go ahead right now. You might need to cut another piece of paper like you did on Monday with Mr. O'Connor, but you need another card that says is equal. You also need a card that's the opposite, that's not equal to. This says is not equal to. Again, you could write these words like I did, or you could just write the symbol, but you do need a card that says is not equal to. So I'll hold these right here for a second. Go ahead, you might need to gather some materials or pause the video and make these, but you do need these two new cards before we play the game. Great. So now that you have those new cards and you have all of your flashcards that you made on Monday, let's go ahead and play. In this game, we are trying to make some equations that are true and some equations that are false. We're trying to figure out what the right symbol is to make the equation make sense. The setup for this game is very simple. You just need a stack of all of your cards face down and the two other new cards that we just made. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick two cards. This card has a number bond, and this circle is called the what, everybody? The whole. This one has all of the pieces together, and these two circles are called what? The parts. These are the parts of the whole. So this one has 13 as the whole, and the parts are 10 and 3. So I might say something like 10 and 3 are the same as 13, or 13 is the same as 10 and 3. This one is an equation. You can read it with me. It says 13 is the same as 10 and 3, or 13 equals 10 and 3. We're trying to figure out if these two are equal or not equal. All right, I'm going to put these down like this, and I'm going to choose which card shows me an equation, a sentence that makes sense. These are equal to each other, or these are not equal to each other. I think these are equal to each other because my number bond shows 13 with a 10 and a 3 as the parts. And this equation also shows 13 with 10 and 3 as parts that make that number. So I think these two are equal to each other. So I'm going to write is equal to, and now I can put these into my finished pile. Great, now I'm going to pick two new cards, two off the top of my stack. I don't need to mix them up, I just need to make a stack. Okay, this number is what, everybody? 16. A 1 and a 6 say 16. And this picture shows some number of dots. Now I remember that Mr. O'Connor said he organized these in a way that helped him do math. I know he said he made 5 groups, so 5 and 5 is the same as 10. This is a 10 group. And then I see 5 more and 3 more. I think I'm just going to count on. I know this is 10. 10. And now I'm going to count on. You can count on with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, so this shows 18 dots. Okay, and my numeral says 16. Okay, are these equal or not equal? So should I put the is equal to card between them or the not equal card between them? Oh, I think they're not equal because this one was 16, this one was 18. Those are not the same number. Those are not equal. Okay, so I can make this sentence look like this. 16 is not equal to this picture of 18 dots. Okay, I'm finished with these two cards, and now I'm going to put them into my finished pile. So you are going to play this game today with your two new cards, is not equal and is equal to, and all of your cards that you made on Monday. You're going to put these in a stack and continue to pick two and figure out if they're equal to each other or if they're not equal to each other. Good luck, mathematicians. If you did not make your own cards, you're welcome to play with my cards. I've left the rest of my cards in the pairs that I picked from my stack so that you could practice telling whether they're equal to each other or they're not equal. For each pair, say out loud or say to a partner close to you whether the two cards are equal to each other or they're not equal to each other. For each pair, I'll leave the answer as well after the first picture. Good luck!